Is it recording now?
Okay, recording.
This is the blog.
Yes.
From blog, we created three.
We have already created
We've already created it, but we do not add anything here.
We didn't add anything.
Why? Is because we don't really essentially need to add something. If anybody uses our app and clicks on our create icon button. Sorry. No, not that one. There's another button. This creates. Not this one. Haven't we done the create?
We have not.
Okay, we have not done it. I've not done that one yet. So this create icon button, that button I was showing you the other time. So once someone clicks on it, it will get information from there, from this blog here, from our records, to not display it to the users. You get.
Can we just...
So let's just do it. So
even if it's just one, let me just get the...
So from here now, this is your image. Select source from your database, from the current blog and the current blog's image. Do you understand?
Okay. Why don't I go to my own laptop?
This thing and create your own.
To my file on my laptop.
Because
it's different.
No, it's not different. It's the same thing. As a developer, a buyer can give you something like, "It is what I want to be displaying." So if that's the scenario, you can just upload everything from here. Upload. But if you upload it, that will be the only thing that will be showing.
Okay.
That will be the only thing that will be showing.
Okay. But you go to database.
I went to database.
Current blog.
Then
you go to image.
So the same thing we want to do for this one too.
So where are the image now?
The image are not there yet.
Who did not? Why didn't you put the image?
If I want to put the image, I can just go to your. Yes. If I want to put the image, let me show you where to put it. Let me show you where to put the image. If you want to put the image, just come to your database. These blogs. See, you just added the names. If you want to put image, just come to your records here. Add the blog. You see. Now you can put the text you want to show, the image and everything. If I put it now to show image there, but I don't want to do that because I want to do it automatically. We're still going to come back and do this one because we won't test the app. Change it. So we won't. I just want to explain this one to you. So now we want to do the same thing we did for the image to the text too. So
database.
Yeah. This is the version. That same thing we did there, but we want to do it here, but it's for text, so it's different view. It's just the same thing, just the view is different. So this is current blog.
Image.
No, not image. It's text. That's the post title that we displayed here. So this post title. So we want to clear. This is how it's showing two post titles, one post title. So it's showing like this. So we want to clear, get rid of that one. You see?
Yes.
Post title. So we want to do the same thing for this guy too. Yeah. Current blog. Then the text. The text is the content. Text is supposed to be X. So clear this one too. You see? Now we've been able to.
Thank God.
We've been able to do this one. So you can just let's continue recording.
Okay.
So now you said you want to upload something by yourself.
Yeah, I want to. If they click here, let them see image now.
No, if you don't even need to click it. Once you preview and it comes to this page to show an image, if someone has uploaded image. So now what we want to do now is this create. I want to link your button here. You know I said this button. Let's link it to somewhere. So let's see.
Please, can I do that thing? But let me just see the image. You went here.
No, not everything.
You went to blog.
Not everything.
Okay, it's only this one.
Yeah, select the one you want to link.
I will select.
Yes. And do sorry.
That thing is very, very important.
So you see, just double tap to select. You see, so you can select anyone now. Select. You see. So now what we want to do now is this is the button. This button is supposed to be for to create a blog.
Create a blog, yes.
Create a blog. So let's edit it. create a blog. So now that's created. Now we want to do. We want to link the. Where should it be?
Where should it
Add
be?
action.
Link.
We are not linking it.
Okay.
Yeah, we are linking it
Yes,
to a new screen.
Is it new screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
So a new screen.
What will be this?
The new screen is to create a blog.
Create
Create a blog. So now where did it go? Where did our blog go? Okay, this is it now. Create a blog. Now we want to add a form to create blog. See it here. That form has
yes.
So you see, once I drop it now, it will ask you what you want the form to do.
Yes.
Like just like see here.
Yeah.
What form is for? The form is
blog.
Blogs. Is it blogs?
Yeah.
Is it blogs?
Because the other time we say we come to user because we saw user.
It's blog. I've selected blog. So what do you want it to do? This is what I was looking for. What do you want it to do? Create a new blog. Did you see? So the button on it already automatically says create blog. So now we have image. So if anybody comes here to, let's say in your app, maybe the person runs the app for your phone and comes here, create the blog. Whatever I create here, I want it to appear in your home screen. That blog page. Okay. You understand that blog page where that place you just did now.
Say create a blog among those images.
Exactly. So now
you want to link.
So add action. See, it's already there. It has already created a blog on its own. Because we took the form on that side. It's already there. So now I want to add another action so that you take us back to the home page. So link to home page. Do you see?
Yes.
So done. Okay. So we run this app now. It will run now. So what to do next now? What to do next? It's what to do next? Okay, let's try and add an image text and content.
Even if it's for two.
Yeah, let's just add it. So we go to the blogs. We don't have any blog yet.
Yes.
So now add a blog. We want to create a blog. You see? No, we said text, image, and text. Let's just say our blog name is beauty. Yeah? E B E U T Y. Then image. Let's just put this image. Let's just put it because it's almost fashion.
The thing is for me to get the idea.
Okay, that's fashion. Then the content. Let me look for.
Image is not good. The thing is supposed to be.
This is how it shows in my own too. Go search fashion blogs. Is there control on this side? I'll be shift.